elephant's big sneeze. Ella the elephant had a very tickly nose. Wiggle, wiggle, twitch. Oh no, thought Ella. I am going to sneeze. My sneezes are too loud and scary. She covered her trunk with her ears to hold it in. Nearby, her friends were sad. Their colorful beach ball was stuck high up in a coconut tree. Milo the monkey tried to jump, but he couldn't reach it. Ella's nose tickled more and more. She couldn't stop it. She took a deep breath. Achoo. A giant blast of wind blew from her trunk. It shook the coconut tree. Shake, shake, plop. The ball fell right down to the ground. Hooray, cheered Milo. Your big sneeze saved our game. Ella smiled. Being big and loud was actually very helpful. It's okay to be yourself even if you are loud. The end.